Welcome. I'm really glad you're here. Before we begin, let's gently arrive in this moment. Not by taking on more, but by settling into what you already know. Take a gentle breath in through your nose and release it slowly through your mouth. There's nothing you need to fix right now. Nothing you need to solve. Just let yourself be here. This is a space to breathe, to relax, to remember who you are beneath the noise. Wisdom isn't just understanding, it's responsibility. Not responsibility as burden, but responsibility as alignment between knowing and living. When something becomes clear to you, it quietly asks something in return. Knowing changes you. Once you see something about yourself, about others, about the world, you can't unsee it. And wisdom doesn't demand perfection. It asks for sincerity. Ethical awakening isn't dramatic. It's subtle. It's the moment you realize that how you move through the world matters. That your choices ripple, that your presence influences, that awareness carries weight. This isn't about being good, it's about being honest. When wisdom is ignored, friction appears, not as punishment, but as misalignment. The body feels it. The mind feels it. Something feels off. Wisdom lived feels lighter than wisdom avoided, because integrity restores coherence. Let's explore responsibility not as pressure, but as embodiment. If it feels comfortable, allow your eyes to close. Or soften your gaze. Bring your attention into your body. Notice where you feel clarity about something in your life. Not confusion, clarity. Something you already know. Notice how that clarity feels. Often, it's quiet, steady. Now notice what happens when you imagine fully living from that knowing. Not perfectly, just more honestly. Does the body relax? Does something settle? This is wisdom asking to be lived. Now gently remind yourself, I don't need to force wisdom. I can embody it gently. My actions can reflect what I know. Let your nervous system hear that. You are not meant to carry wisdom silently. You are meant to express it through how you live. Take one slow breath in and release it fully. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Today's practice is simple. Live one truth more fully. Not loudly, not perfectly, just honestly. Because wisdom isn't complete until it moves through action. Your heart is ready. And whenever you need a reminder, I'll be right here.